Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best 10 feet LED lights is probably one of the most versatile and affordable ways to transform any space. Whether you're looking to add some ambience to your bedroom, create a cool gaming setup, or simply brighten up your living room, these lights offer endless possibilities. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of 10-foot LED lights, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you find the perfect set for your needs. Number 5. ANJAYLIA LED Fairy String Lights. These ANJAYLIA LED fairy string lights are perfect for adding a touch of magic to any space. They are battery operated, making them easy to place anywhere without needing a power outlet. Powered by 3 AA batteries, these lights offer flexibility in placement. Remember to keep the battery box away from water to ensure its longevity. The ultra-thin copper wire allows you to shape the lights to your liking. Wrap it around plants, furniture, or anything else you desire. It's great for DIY projects with your kids. Each string features 30 super bright warm white LEDs, creating a cozy and romantic atmosphere. The lights are spaced 4 inches apart on the silver wire. Enjoy over 48 hours of continuous use, depending on the batteries. These lights are designed to stay cool, ensuring safe use at home. With its warm white glow, this LED starry light is ideal for parties, restaurants, shops, and more. It adds a welcoming feel to any setting. What we like. This light is battery operated, offering you the flexibility to place it anywhere without needing an outlet. Its flexible copper wire lets you shape it to fit any space or decor. If you're looking for a simple, charming way to add a warm glow to your space, you should consider this. What people say. Really cute, bright lighting, good quality, great battery life. The lights are bright and look really nice. They work as advertised. Medium brightness. Dresses up holiday decorations nicely. Number 4. LAFULIT 8 PCS 20-inch LED Under Cabinet Lighting Kit. Introducing the LAFULIT Under Cabinet Lighting Kit. This kit includes 8 pre-cut LED strips, perfect for illuminating your kitchen or workspace. It's a simple and effective way to upgrade your lighting. The kit offers a DIY design with multiple connection options. The connectors allow you to bend and fold around corners, making installation easy. You can customize the layout to fit your needs. Enjoy 2700K warm white light with adjustable brightness levels. You can easily control the brightness using the remote or the dimmer. It provides the perfect ambience for any situation. Control the lights with either the wireless remote or the mini dimmer. The remote offers various functions, including brightness levels and timing options. The dimmer provides on-off and brightness control. Set a timer to automatically turn off the lights, with options from 30 minutes to 4 hours. The lights also remember your preferred settings, ensuring consistent brightness every time you use it. These lights are suitable for various locations, such as kitchens, cabinets, and shelves. Installation is quick and easy with the strong adhesive. You'll enjoy the lighting for a long time. What we like. With its DIY design, you can customize the lighting to fit your exact needs. It also offers adjustable brightness and a timer function. If you are looking for under-cabinet lighting with customizable features, this is a great choice. What people say. The lights are easy to install. The adhesive is very sticky and holds well. The remote control is easy to use. Number 3. Lepro C1 AI Smart LED Strip Lights. This is the Lepro C1, a smart LED strip light designed to transform your home. It offers a range of features, making it perfect for any room. With Lepro's AI Light GPM, creating stunning lighting effects is easy. Just tell it what you want, and it generates the perfect ambience for you. It's like having a personal lighting designer. Enjoy a spectrum of 16 million colors to decorate your space. Perfect for any occasion, these lights will enhance your living room, bedroom, or gaming setup. It's great for holidays and parties. Control the lights hands-free with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Simply use your voice to turn them on, off, or change colors. It's convenient and easy to use. Experience dynamic lighting that syncs with your music. The lights react to the rhythm, creating an energetic atmosphere. Use your phone's microphone for the best experience. Installation is simple with the adhesive and included clips. Just stick it to any clean, dry surface. Please note that it is not recommended for outdoor use. The SE1 is not cuttable or waterproof. It works exclusively with the Lepro app and does not include a remote control. Explore more features and DIY designs within the app. What we like. This light uses AI to generate the perfect lighting effects for any mood or occasion. It also syncs with music, creating a dynamic and immersive experience. If you like to create a fun and personalized atmosphere, you should consider this. What people say. The lights are easy to install. The adhesive is very sticky and holds well. The remote control is easy to use. Number 2. XINKAITE LED Fairy Lights, 10 feet 3M Warm White. These XINKAITE fairy lights are perfect for adding a warm glow to any space. Each string features 10 feet of flexible copper wire with 30 bright LED lights. The wire of these lights is waterproof, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. You can easily decorate mason jars, wine bottles, or any other item. The battery box, however, should be kept dry and requires 3 AA batteries. These LED lights use the latest technology and high-quality copper wire to conserve energy while maintaining brightness. Please note that this string light does not include a timer function. The copper wire is delicate and flexible, allowing you to shape the lights to your liking. It's ideal for decorating patios, gardens, or any event. The mini battery pack is small and easy to hide, making these lights ideal for various decorating projects. They are perfect for Halloween or Christmas trees. What we like. The wire of this light is waterproof, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Its flexible copper wire allows for creative installations. If you need a versatile and energy-efficient lighting solution, you should consider this. What people say. The lights are very easy to install. The remote control is easy to use. The lights have multiple color options and modes. Number 1. ANJAYLIA 20 LED Star String Lights. These warm white star string lights are perfect for setting a romantic atmosphere. They're great for kids' play areas, bedrooms, or any space you want to make special. Featuring 20 LED twinkle stars across 10 feet, the lights are spaced 6 inches apart. They use less energy than older lights, so they're both beautiful and efficient. The lights are battery operated with 3 AA batteries, so you don't need to worry about outlets. You can easily place them anywhere, indoors or out. Choose from steady on or flash modes to suit your needs. Whether it's a quiet evening or a lively party, these lights have you covered. These warm white star lights are ideal for holidays and celebrations. They're suitable for Valentine's Day, weddings, Christmas, and more. These LED star string lights are perfect for brightening up your holiday tradition. They are suitable for various occasions, including Valentine's Day, weddings, Christmas, New Year's, Ramadan, birthdays, parties, and festivals. What we like. This light features charming star-shaped lights and offers 2 lighting modes. It is also safe and portable, running on batteries. If you are looking for a cute and easy-to-use decorative light, you should consider this. What people say. The lights are easy to install. The adhesive is very sticky and the lights are bright. The lights are very vibrant and have multiple colors and modes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.